Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I prepared my next or new video, that is part second of my previous video, that is some medical abbreviations. In these we will discuss more full forms and about them. So we will continue from OPV, stand for oral polio vaccine. This is a vaccine which is given mainly to the children under 5 years to prevent the occurrence of polio in them. Next is COPD, stand for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. We can say COPD is an umbrella term used for the disease such as emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Emphysema is a disease which destroys the air sac or to say alveoli of our lungs, and chronic bronchitis is a chronic inflammation in the bronchitis of our lungs. Next is TB, stand for tuberculosis. It is also a lung infection which is caused by a bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It affects the lungs as there is formation of sputum in them. Next is CHF, stand for congestive heart failure. It is a condition in which the heart is unable to perform its pumping function properly as it is in normal. Next is CVA, stand for cardiovascular accident. It is a condition in which the brain got damaged due to interruption of its blood supply. This condition will mainly occurs when there is any accident or any head injury, etc. Next is MVA, stand for motor vehicle accident. These include the accident which happens during vehicle riding, or it also be called as RTA, that is road traffic accidents. Next is PET, stand for progesterone emission tomography. It is a method which helps to reveal how your tissues and organs are functioning. It also helps to detect the early signs of cancer, any heart disease or any brain disorder. Next is NSAID, stand for non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug. These are the category of drug which are mainly used to treat any inflammation, any mild to moderate pain and fever. Some of its examples are the commonly used paracetamol, aspirin, ibuprofen, etc. Next is PCM, stand for paracetamol. As we all know that paracetamol is a commonly used drug. Its main function is to treat pain as well as the fever symptoms. Next, DX, stand for diagnosis. This is a term mainly used in a hospital setting while mentioning the diagnosis of the patient. Diagnosis is the problem or the abnormality or any disease from which the patient is suffering. Next is CCU, stand for critical care unit. It is also known as cardiac care unit. This is a unit which is mainly designed or used to treat the patients who are suffering from any heart disease or any cardiac problems. Next is BUN, BUN, that is blood urea nitrogen. It is a diagnostic test which is used to measure the amount of nitrogen in your blood that is coming from the waste product, that is urea. Next is THR, stand for total hip replacement. It is a treatment or a treatment option for the last stage degenerative hip disease. It is a surgery which is mainly used to replace the old joint with an artificial joint, that is also called as prosthesis. It is a choice of a patient or the family members, either they will choose this or not after any hip fracture or the degenerative condition of the hip bone, or in the condition of severe pain due to arthritis. Next is TKR, stand for total knee replacement. It is also called as knee arthroplasty. It is a method or a technique to resurface a knee or to build a knee artificially which is damaged by arthritis by using metal, plastic parts to cap the ends of the bone that form the knee joint along with the kneecap. Next is CNS, stand for Central Nervous System. It includes our brain and spinal cord. CNS system, we can say, is the main or the central system of our body which controls all our activities. Next is ANS, stand for Auto Nervous System. As per name auto, it is the system which work automatically without a person conscious effort. Next is DNA, stand for deoxyribonucleic acid. As we all know that it is the genetic part which is responsible for the transfer of characters from parents to their offsprings or their children's. Next is RNA, stand for ribonucleic acid. We cannot say that RNA is a genetic part, but in somewhat it is similar to DNA. It play a role of to convert the information stored in DNA into protein. Last is LBW, stand for low birth weight. It is a condition when the baby born is low as per the normal weight, as the normal weight of newborn is 3.5 to 4.5 kg. Remaining we will discuss in our next video. So please watch the next part for more information.